Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Altitude. Well, what I need to do is take a video verification of the condition of my Mavic Pro so I can start up the DJI Care Refresh program, because when I bought the drone, I had the Fresh Care, and they kept, sending me emails saying it's getting ready to expire in a week, and then down to 3 or 4 days, and then I was down to that day, and I just got paid, so I said, okay, I'll go ahead and update it. Well, unfortunately, there was a screw up in the pay to pay it, and it expired. So now my drone is not in the system. But they just came out with a program that's going from, a promotion just happened to be, and it's going from the 18th of October through the 31st of October. So to do that, you got to do a video. You got to go through a video process of the system so they can verify it, and then they'll send an email to go ahead and sign back up. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. And you can go to that link and it'll give you a video of exactly what they want you to do. So right now, you don't have to fly it. You don't have to fly it, and you don't have to do a video of the condition of the drone. All they want to know is the internal memory. Is making sure the internal memory or the system's working properly inside. So they don't even want you to. They don't want you to fly it. They want you to just keep it on the ground. And that's what I'm gonna. I don't remember where they want you to rotate or not. No, I'm not going to even be able to leave it here because it's going to come up. They want you to have a strong GPS. A strong GPS indication on it. So I'm going to have to probably have to go to my indoor launching pad, because if I do it right here, it's sitting on top of metal, and it's going to give, say you've got a magnetic interference. So, okay, so I can get the controller going at least to this point. Oh, the dogs. No idea what the kids are humming about here. There we go. I'm using the Sky Crystal, of course, with the system. It works great. I don't have to use my phone anymore. And I'm going to have to do a video. I guess I got to use the video. Jeez. What's going on about? Okay. Alright. Everything's hooked up. We're going to go to another camera. Alright. That's complete. I need to upload all this stuff. It says something about doing it online. Can't figure out whether they mean just that I'm sending this to them online, or there's some way to capture it while you're doing it, and I can't figure out how to do that yet. So let's see if that's going to accept it. Okay, that's done too. All right, just waiting. I'm going to download this. Oh man, put setting back. All right, let's see. Well, I just got done sending my video to DJI's Care Customer History, DJI Care Department. And what that entails is taking a video of your drone's internal workings, so to speak. Alright, finally they accepted my picture for the DJI Care refresh. Unfortunately, I had like 2 or 3 different emails coming to me, and I don't know if I've screwed that up, because when I read it, it says you need to buy this within 48 hours of getting this email, and now I'm like 3 days later, so I may be doing it all over again. I don't know. I'm starting over right now with that from that email. So now I got to put in my drone's serial number. I hope not, because I'm messing with this thing for a week and I get all screwed up because of emails. Wrong one. 08. Yeah, been waiting for these emails, and they responded. Which one is my drone? Okay. Maybe I should pull. Oh. What am I looking for? Okay. I'm looking for that one. Here we go again. They're going to tell me it's not in the system again because it expired. Again.